All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Xtm. As y'all know, I got the system from this in the Xceed, so I went and put the Xceed system in this. I forgot the KV of the motor. I'll go over that later, but I do got the Mamba Monster. I believe it's the one in there. Mamba Monster 1 ESC. It does give a slight delay on it. Rich Duper Bass had the same problem. I was trying to help him out with it because mine is a little bit better, but it does still do it. There's no way to really fix it on that one that I know of. So I did take the spool out of the Arrma infraction because, you know, as y'all know, that the ESC on that gave up. So I took the spool out of that since that's gonna be down and put it in here. I had to do some adjustments. That is the stock spool for the Limitless. I just designed it to fit in here. I want to make sure that it worked. Every spool that I put in here so far have broke. So that's a solid gear. So that's why I'm hoping that would work. So that's what we're going to test out to see if everything goes good. It's only on 4S. It does have both batteries in here to run 8, but it's only a 6S ESC. So you guys stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this set up and test it. All right, you two. Let's go ahead and give it a try. She is rolling smooth with that spool. I did bring the GPS, but unfortunately, I didn't bring any zip ties. Seems like it's handling good with this motor up there. I believe it's I don't want to lie to y'all, but it's either a 1730 or a 1650 kV. I'll take it out later just to show y'all, but let's go ahead and get some hits and see what she does. As y'all can see, it does have a slight delay with that ESC. It's good for speed running though, I'll tell you that. I think she could use some more power. We gotta touch this motor, make sure everything's cool. I actually tell y'all what kV this motor is right now. It is pretty cool. It is 1650 kV. I'll go over the system with y'all later. Just wanted y'all to know. So you know that kV needs some cells to get it up and going. I believe it's only a 6S motor, but I should be able to run it on 8. This is the same motor I was running in the Xceed. All I did was switch the system out. Just wanted to make sure that the spool holds up. That's my biggest problem with this car. I done did everything to it, dial it in and everything. Biggest problem is having a spool that can hold up, and I believe that this is the one. So well, no, after 4S, we just testing it right now on 4, holding up. It's running nice and smooth actually. And she holding up nice and smooth. And it does have both batteries because I wanted the weight you know. Oh, I nearly crashed. I was staring with my thumb right there. The weight distribution. I wanted it to be even. But that's how I got the car set up. So if I run one battery, it'll be off. Let me show y'all what I mean. Let's take off from the line. Got a slight delay with that ESC, but I plan on taking the system out of the Xceed and putting it back in here. Because that's the system for this car as for right now, and the delay will kill me on the line, especially if I plan on using this for drag racing. So that'll be the next video on this. I will throw that system back up in there. I even try it on 8S, get an 8S test hit, because I'm only gonna run it on 6, but if it could hold up on 8, it definitely should hold up on 6. So that's what I want to see. Plus the Xceed is a little bit lighter. It's good for speed running. For drag racing, I'm gonna have to add some weight to it to keep it planted. So let me go ahead and get this test head in. This car stay planted and stable. Alright guys, it seems that that spool's holding up. This is the stock Arrma Limitless spool. I had it in the infraction, so now I'm gonna have to get a new spool for the infraction because I'm keeping this spool in here. I'm gonna keep this spool in here for sure. Oh no! It broke loose on me over there. I don't know what happened, man. End up turning the damn drag racing car into that was funny. I mean, you know, everything happens, but that was funny. I still got power and everything like that. My strap bust. Got to get a new strap up there. I cracked my battery case right off. Hopefully the battery's not in there swelling up. It feels like it, but hopefully not. We'll know when we get home. If not, I'll throw some tape back on there. That was a hard hit, y'all. We'll know when I get home because I didn't bring the battery tester. But I split the case. I broke one of the wires. Whoa, that's not good. Oh, all the wires are out. So right now, this battery is no more good. I need to, it's like smoking inside. That's not good though. As y'all can see, my wire broke straight. I'm about to clip it one by one. Hopefully that'll work. But my wire broke and it's in there touching up. So that is not a good thing right now. Alright guys, I still got to take this battery home. It's kind of warm. I'm going to put it inside of one of these. Hopefully y'all seeing all of this. I'm going to put it inside of one of these and take it home. I ain't going to leave it out here. I know this battery's fried though, so no more 8S. Let's get back to the car and see what's going on over there. So the car broke loose on me over there. I slipped on something. My wire came off from my cat pack. I gotta resolder that. That's nothing. Everything else seemed to be working. Spool's still holding up. Everything's nice and solid. That's my main concern there. This car did take a hard hit, but it took it on a tray that I made. So I believe that saved everything else, which is a good thing. I still got this battery I could throw in there, but I was running this already just to test it to see if the car's going straight and everything. Everything seems pretty much good. Probably get it back to the bench, do a walkthrough, body pop right off. But I'll probably go an overview of it. And actually, if y'all want to stay with me, nah, I don't even want to do it. Don't got no cat pack up there. I was gonna put that battery in there just to run it to see if it goes, but if not, I'll fix it and get it back out. So if anything, y'all stay tuned for a part 2.